Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a bug on the application of iQIYI. We click on settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about iQIYI app and we click here. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can